The coach we're going to show you today is the Foretravel Realm LVB. The Realm features the Spartan 3K GT chassis. This chassis can tow 20,000 pounds and has a Cummins 600 horsepower diesel engine. The undercarriage trays are all electric. This coach has a 12.5 kilowatt diesel generator. This unit features the AquaHot 600D. It features a high horsepower fuel pump to feed both showers at the same time. The Realm slide-out rooms feature pneumatic seals that provide a literal airtight seal completely around the entire slide-out room. Typical motorhomes, they have a gasket that goes in and out. This does not use a gasket. This coach has many safety features, but some of the most notable is the automatic traction control, the all-wheel disc brakes, and a built-in tire pressure monitoring system. This coach also features Premier Steer along with Bliston shocks. And the reason why they use these products is it takes a lot of the stress and a lot of the fatigue off the driver as you're driving down the road. The paint on this coach has over 700 man hours with 7 clear coats. The graphics you see on this coach is custom marbling, and it is done by 3D computer generated drawings. As stated before, this is the LVB model, which is the bunk model.
What stands out to us most about this coach is that it's very family oriented. We are looking at this particular coach as a full-time possibility. So we're going to start right over here in the front. One of the main things that we like most about this is that there is actually Wi-Fi included. So this is a Wi-Fi Ranger. What it does is it picks up Wi-Fi outside of the coach and brings it into the coach. So that is a very nice feature that is included. Moving into the living area, we have an awesome dinette over here that is actually featuring a pull-out extra space area. So when the slide is out, you have this extra space, and when the slide is in for travel mode, it actually goes in. So I'm going to demonstrate that. Remove these little guys. This just unclips just like that. It just slides right on in. It's a little tricky at first, but it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. And there you have it. So then the slide is able to go in for when you're traveling on the road. Moving over to this side of the living area, we have this really beautiful L couch, and I wish you could feel how soft this leather is because it's really nice. And this actually pulls out into a bed as well, so you have some extra sleeping room right here in case you have guests or more family. There's also a TV located right above the L couch, and then you have your control system right here. Really convenient for a million different types of lights. You can light up basically every piece of furniture. It's really cool. Moving into the kitchen area, we have a full residential fridge, the freezer on the bottom. We have a ton of storage cabinet space on either side of the fridge, so this can be used as the pantry. All of these drawers actually just slide right out. The coach also has an onboard water filtration system, as you can see right here, which is really convenient for full-time living. To the left of the fridge, we have a closet space. There's a little rod up there and then some more pull-out drawers. This is actually intended to be for the kids. Now in the cooking side of the kitchen, we have an awesome induction heating stovetop with 2 burners on it. Right below that is a dishwasher that just slides right out. There's drawers over here on the left, and these also can turn into extra countertop space, which is really convenient. Right underneath the sink, we have even more storage space, and to the right of the sink as well. So you definitely have a lot of storage in the kitchen area. The lighting system is in the kitchen as well. Just like that. Moving into the kids area, we have this awesome bunk bed system. If I was a kid, I would definitely want to sleep in here. They're each equipped with their own personal TVs and little windows so you don't feel like you're in a box. There's also a forced air AC to each bunk and personal drawers right above the headspace. And right down here we have the other set. They also are featuring a sliding door area where you just remove that little stopper and then you close the kids up. You don't even have to hear them. To the right of the bunk beds, we have our first bathroom. This can be used as the kids' bathroom or the guest bathroom because it is a full bath. You can see the really nice full stand-up shower, along with some storage space underneath the sink and above the sink. Moving towards the bedroom area, right before that, after the bathroom, we have this amazing digital control panel. You have your AC, you have the pump, the cargo, all the good extra features. You can tell how full your tanks are. It's really nice. Moving into the beautiful master bedroom, we have a very comfy, squishy bed. One of the coolest things about this room is that there is this giant window right here. And then if you feel like watching TV, you can just press a button and this actually comes out into a beautiful TV. Super convenient. And then we have extra storage space on either side of the window/TV and below it. So you do have plenty of drawers for clothes. Moving forward, we are in the second bathroom, the master bathroom. There are 2 toilets and 2 showers in this coach, which is really, really amazing. This one is definitely about twice the size. It's a lot bigger. It also includes, hidden over here, the washer and dryer. An awesome feature of this coach is that there are actually 2 closets, a his and a hers, on either side of the bathroom, which is perfect for full-time RVing. Here we have a full shower that is just as big as any residential shower. Here I am. It's huge. There's a bench. You have full-on shelving for everything you need. A really beautiful shower head. And the tile is really nice. What we love most about this coach is that it's not only family oriented, but they do an awesome job with their attention to detail, such as all of the designing of the tile and the flush slide out. As you can see right here, this is the slide out and you really can't even tell it's there. Overall, I would definitely live in this coach. It has everything you would need for living full time.